Dude, my driveway is getting out of hand. We have my R34, my Honda Fit, we have my wide body FRS, and then we have the new M3. No wonder why my neighbors hate me. I have cars scattered everywhere. And this isn't even including my roommates and my girlfriend's car as well. In case you guys aren't updated with the channel, we went ahead and flew down to Reno to pick up this M3 competition about a month ago, and I've been enjoying this thing so much. It's literally the best car you can buy for around the 50K price mark. This thing looks great, the interior is nice, and the best of all, it drives amazing. It has all the powers, all the bells and whistles. So to be honest, this is probably the best car purchase I've ever made. And after a month of owning this car, I'm finally going to be modifying it today. So let's go ahead and start it up and pull into the garage. For as stock as this thing is, it sounds pretty freaking good. Listen to this. It has a little rumble to it. Trust me, I know my driveway is terrible. You don't have to tell me. We have 1 box, 2 box, 3 box, 4 box, 5 box, 6 box, 7, 8, 9, and 10 total boxes for the M3. Dude, we have so much stuff to do. So unfortunately, there is too many parts here to install in just one video. So we're just gonna go ahead and do half. And the 2 things we're gonna be doing today is we're gonna slap on a new carbon fiber front lip on this car, as well as a full paint correction and ceramic coating the car so that we can get it looking nice and pristine to have a good blank slate to build. And you guys are gonna be surprised, half of the stuff is literally from Temu. With this build, I wanna go ahead and make it super affordable and show you guys don't need a lot of money in order to build a car. So the things I got from Temu are actually gonna be the tools that we'll be using for the M3. So let's go ahead and open up that first. And yes, I don't have a table, so we made a makeshift table for you guys. First up is gonna be this little portable air compressor. I'm just gonna toss this in the M3 in case I ever go somewhere and I get a flat. I can pump it up super easy. Next up, oh, I know what this is. We're gonna be using this in today's video. We have a plethora of detailing products like microfiber towels so that we can go ahead and get the M3 all detailed and ceramic coated today. Look at this. I literally went crazy on the towels. Dude, look at this. We got applicator pads, we got wheel cleaning brushes, all kinds of brushes, and this whole pack was like $8 on Temu. This would have costed way more if I were to buy it on Amazon or something. This has all the drill attachments so I can slap it on power tools. Look at this, we got a small thin brush to clean the wheels because the spokes on this car are absolutely tiny. A bigger brush for the wheels as well. Applicator pads, tiny little brushes for the interior. Wire brushes, and this is a dust mitt to wipe off the interior. And then we have tiny, small little detail brushes for the interior as well. Bro, I am stocked up on detailing stuff. All right, next up is a portable wrench set. I wanted to have something in the car so that I could carry it at any time just in case something breaks down. Always gotta have one handy. Oh my God, this is so sick. These are all ratcheting wrenches. So that means one side is a regular wrench and the other side is like a ratchet when you spin it. Definitely a staple if you guys work on your own cars. And these right here may not seem like a lot, but this will save you so much money from having broken clips. Look at this. We got a huge pack of plastic clip removers, all types of size, all types of shapes, because most of the M3 is literally held on by so many clips. And I knew if I were to install like a front lip, side skirts and stuff like that, I'm gonna need to take off a bunch of clips. So we came prepared. And this right here, I literally just bought because I have a BMW, and in case you guys don't know, these don't use regular bolts. It uses like a star pattern. It's called Torx bits, and I have 0 Torx bit in my garage, so you know your boy had to pick up a bunch just so I can have it handy. And then last, but definitely not least from Temu, you guys have been asking me where to get tools for cheap. This is literally a 216-piece tool set. I'm pretty sure this was like $60 for a bunch of freaking tools. You get 3 different size ratchet. You get all of these sockets right here. You got screwdriver bit, hex bits, Torx bits, wrenches, angle adapters. Literally every single basic tool that you need to work on your car is in this kit. So guys, definitely don't sleep on Temu. I'm putting you guys on right now. Dang, now I have to find storage spaces for all of this. So now that we got all the tools out of the way, let's go ahead and unbox the carbon fiber front lip we're gonna be installing. All right, you guys ready for this? Oh my god. Look at that carbon fiber right there. This is literally gonna look so sick on the M3. So this right here is a K-Design carbon fiber front lip by Subnear Motorsport. And I think this is the perfect lip for the M3 because how it comes from factory looks really strange. Look at this bumper. It has a whole bunch of gaps down here. And if you look at it from the front, it doesn't stick out at all. So this carbon lip is gonna stick out just right there. So it's gonna look super sick and aggressive. So huge shout out to Subnear Motorsport for sending us a new front lip to install on the M3. This is one of the many carbon fiber parts that the M3 is gonna get. Let's go ahead and break in our new tools from Temu by installing this front lip. This lip should be a super easy install because it already has the holes for you. So we just need to go ahead and remove the factory bolts, line it up with these holes, and then just tighten it down, and then we'll be good. Gotta grab our little ratchet and socket. There we go. Then this front lip just slides on like this. Look at that, boys. Easy peasy install. We got the front lip all bolted up. Let's go ahead and lower this thing back on the ground and see how it looks. Dude, look at how aggressive the front bumper is now. Oh my god, that looks so freaking sick. And the fitment on the lip looks super good as well. I'm very happy that I went with this K-Design one. I think it looks killer on this car. Now the real question is, should I go ahead and add more carbon accents like the little splitter right here, the little fangs? I really want to add more carbon, but I don't want to do too much and end up having the car look really tacky. All right, now next up for the M3, we're gonna pull it out, give it a wash, and do a full paint correction and ceramic coat using the detailing parts that we got off of Temu. Everyone knows we gotta start with the wheels first. This is legit gonna be one of my favorite tools to clean my cars from here on out. Look how convenient this is. I used to just use a microfiber towel. Dude, it took me forever to clean these wheels. And then we just finish it off with this brush. I think the car is already ceramic coated. Look at that. The water is already beating off super well. So it looks like all we gotta do is ceramic coat the carbon fiber. Very nice. This makes our life way easier. I also never hand dry the car because I always take it for a drive and just let it air dry, because drying towels are no joke, like 40-50 bucks nowadays, but I found this one for 10 bucks, so I figured why not give it a shot. So we're about to see how good it is. What the heck? Dude, that's pretty good. Watch this, one pass. Whoop. Oh my god. I'm surprised. We might have to switch over to using a towel now. This is way faster too, and I don't have to go for a drive. Oh my god, dude. I should have bought this way sooner. Look at this, a whole bunch of droplets, right? Swoop, one swipe, gone. 10 out of 10, very much worth 10 bucks. All right, ceramic coating this should be super easy. We just take our ceramic coat and our new applicator pad, sprinkle some on there, just like that. And we're gonna apply it onto every single part of the lip. This pad makes it way easier. The block that the ceramic coat usually comes with is super tiny, so it takes forever to do a car. And then just let it sit for like 30 seconds, and then we flip it around and buff it off. Just like that, our carbon fiber lip is now ceramic coated. Fast forward a few days and we are no longer in Seattle. As you can see, I'm on the beaches of freaking Oahu, Hawaii. It is literally so beautiful out here. The water is clear, the sand is freaking perfect. Super nice out here. And no guys, I'm not here on any car occasion or content occasion. I'm here to enjoy vacation with my family. It's been a while since I've had a trip where I can just enjoy, but here I am finishing this video for you guys. But right after this, I'm gonna head over to a coffee shop and finish editing this video so you guys can see it ASAP. But thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We finally put out some content for the F80 M3. I'm super stoked to build this car, and now we have a ton of parts stacked for this car. I hope I still have time to build the 34 and the FRS. So let me know in the comments, what kind of content would you guys like to see more? Should I do more driving videos? Because I noticed you guys have been commenting for some point of view driving videos, but the thing is, when I post those on TikTok, they get taken down so fast. So I'm thinking of making them exclusively just for YouTube so you guys can enjoy them whenever you want. But that's only if you guys would like to do something like that. So let me know in the comments below. All right guys, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this video right here. Make sure to go down, hit the thumbs up button, and subscribe if you haven't yet, because we have tons and tons of videos coming out real soon.